morning from
Pangong.
Pangong. No, not exactly Pangong.
We are in Marek.
Marek. This place is called. And see this, guys. Look at the view. That's the Pangong Lake.
Extremely cold.
The mountains are right here. Right here. Beautiful place. So here there is a of some sort, okay, right at not center but towards the other side of the shore. If you can see that rock at the center, that island rock, that tapu, if you can see that, more towards the other side of the shore. So here what happens is, the local guy was telling me that they skate to that rock during winters when the lake is frozen and perform pujas. It's a holy rock for them, and they go there skating during winter. So imagine how cold it must be. Right now also it is very cold, at least for us it feels very cold. This is the morning scene from Pangong Lake. Here is Honey Badger. Last day of our ride. We are heading back now. We are heading back to Leh via Changla. Heading back to Leh via Changla Pass. Look at this view, guys. This is where we stayed, right at the base of this mountain. Ah, beautiful. Pangong Tso Lake, huge lake. Apparently only 40% of the lake is in Indian side. The remaining lake is on the China side. But wow, beautiful. Look at these mountains, guys, in front of us. My god, quite a lot of people were complaining about breathing difficulties in the night, not able to breathe properly and stuff. We were passed out completely, so we didn't feel any of those things. We slept nicely. Wow, यहाँ बेबी रिफ्लेक्ट भएको पानीमा सन. Beautiful. Wow, beautiful. So here is the main group of Moto Tour. So guys, we are now climbing towards Changla, and it is so windy and cold. Time is 10:50, but it feels like, you know, evening if you look around us. Today is a cold day, so we stopped here, offsetting our rhythm to wear warm gloves. These Decathlon gloves are okay. Look at that. That's a group. So on the same range there are two passes, and you can take both to reach Leh from this side of the mountain. The first and the most famous one is the Khardungla Pass, which was often thought to be the world's highest motorable mountain pass, which turned out to be wrong. The estimates were wrong, so they redid that, and now it's no longer the highest pass, but it's still, you know, very high. 17,800 feet is not a joke. Almost 18,000 feet. So that's Khardungla and Changla now. Changla is another 18,000 feet pass. Yesterday night we slept at 16,000 feet. So I'm so happy about that, and didn't face any breathing issues.
I was imagining tents when they told that, you know, we'll be camping in Pangong Lake. But it was a very decent cottage kind of
which truck?
Huh? Jeep लिने हमको.
मुई नि हेर उनीहरू यताबाट आइदिएको हाम्रो लागि. अम्पो, what is that?
Oh my God.
Look at this, guys. Wow, our Indian Army.
Yo 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 yo.
Yo, bhai, Komale. Still climbing. See there, we have to reach that top. Look at our bikes. Lots of vehicle on this route so far, like down-going vehicles.
And huge vehicles.
यो मान्छेको अगाडि जान्छु ल.
Hello, overtake करो. मैं overtake करता हूँ. पीछे को.
Wow, guys, look at this view. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Amma, falut. ल छोरा,
रोडमा पुग्छ.
बाइकको पावर कम्ती हुँदै गयो.
के रे बाइकको?
पावर कम्ती हुँदै गयो हो, एल्टिट्युड बढ्यो पुरा. दुई नम्बर फुल एक्सिडेन्टमा छ. We've come here now, somewhere in this beautiful village with a view. Look at this around us. Hello guys, we've stopped at this place. Let me show you for a tea break. Beautiful place. Our bikes are all lined here. The one with the tank bag is Honey Badger. Gorgeous view. That's my bag. Dhul, wool, dust, rust is like part of life now. Doesn't matter. Look at this. Look at my shoes. It's supposed to be black. Everything is like that. Look at this. This is the line of the chai. ऐसा है.
से पागल हो गए लोग, ऑक्सीजन कम है.
We've stopped here for tea break. It's 10:50. It's so cold, guys. There's a small, beautiful lake here. Guys, you want to see something? I want to show you something. See, guys, there's some wild horses grazing there. guys, we are in Changla Pass.
Made it to Changla Pass. 17,688 feet. It's very cold. Look at the scenes at Changla. There's a temple here. There's a Chhoten here. Wow, see this. Much more beautiful than Khardungla. Changla Pass, spacious as well. Beautiful. Basa. So we are climbing down now because we are going breathless. Combs is feeling little nauseation and I'm feeling out of breath while taking the bike out. But yeah, beautiful Changla. Better not to stay for a long time, guys. Once you click pictures, once you've seen the space, better to start climbing down because it's almost 18,000 feet. My god, but this is so much better than Khardungla. Colder than Khardungla as well.
Much more scenic.
How are you feeling, baby, now?
Now a little better.
There's a lot of melted snow on the road as well. Have to be careful. Okay, baby.
You wish the getting better was it?
गिद्यो होला यस्तो भयो लु बिस्तारै small roads, big vehicles.
See there, mountains.
Beautiful. While going towards Leh, no, last time we went to that monastery, no, baby. What was the monastery's name? Tikse monastery. We have to go via the same route, and that route has so much traffic, no?
अहिले कतिमा छौ तिमी?
के स्पिड 30
30 में कुदाउला?
यतिमा
दार्जिलिङ वालोको घन्टा लग गया.
दार्जिलिङ वालाको चक्कर आ गया छक्क पर्दै थियो
यहाँनिर कहाँ देखाउँछ बेबी स्पिड?
के यहाँ हो 40 अघि 60 गर्दै थियो अहिले 40 मा छु तिमी बिस्तारै कुदा भनेको भनेर
बिस्तारै कुदाउ. झट्का लाग्दैछ मलाई.
जोरका झट्का धीरे से लगा
बहुत जोर से. धीरे से नहीं.
The other side of the mountain was so nice, like thick wall of snow and stuff, you know, like snow on the road. And it so happens only when there are like beautiful scenery and like I want to click this bit, something happens with the camera. Either battery is not there. This time the camera was not working. Hang. Quite bumpy actually this is, but compared to what we've endured yesterday, this is heaven.
जाडोले गर्दा फेरि पिसाब भयो. अलिक तातो भयो.
हिउँ भएको जग्गाहरू काट्यो नि त हामीले. Look at this height, guys. Look at the height of this drop. I don't think the camera will capture it. It's so deadly drop there. My god, nauseating. I'm not going to look that side. I want to ride on the middle, but there is gravel on the middle, so the gravel is forcing me to ride on the side which I don't want to. It's so scary.
Then ride this side.
No, that's the wrong side.
ट्रक आइदिएर है.
कसरी ट्रकहरू चढेको यस्तो डरलाग्दो उकालो. लेदेखि क्या पाङगाङ जानु पर्यो भोलि पुग्छ होला है ट्रकहरू त. रेडी भएको अरे त्यो खाल्डामा खानु रेडी भएको
फेरि अस्ति चाहिँ गिरी दुख्न थाल्यो मेरो मटन सिकनेस भएको रहेछ
हो
गिरी दुख्ने
Look at this road now, guys. My God, BRO has built this wide road. My God, it's so wide on these hills. Beautiful road now. Honey Badger is aram se going downhill, 4th gear, sometimes 5th gear, 60. I'm not crossing 60 because again mountain, no need to cross 60. Not in a race. But yeah, look at this. Compared to what we've been through, from Nubra to Pangong was, my God, toughest ride in my life so far. The off-roading was incredible there. Compared to that, finally getting this, it's like reward, you know. It's like somebody's giving you a gift. Got to experience the Himalayan on the Himalayas properly. Not like highway touring. That is different. Highway touring is, this bike is not very comfortable. I can say that. My knees are hurting like anything. Bum is also hurting. But for such, such terrain, it is built for that. I feel sad that Honey Badger is retiring now, making way for its successor. My God, this truck is approaching me so fast. I'm going to allow it to go. Please go, buddy. I'm not going to race you. Do your thing. Dream girl is what it's written there. रिसुटे चाहिँ मैले ओभरटेक गरेँ भनेर त हान्नेर आयो नि हौ बेबी
हेर न यो तिमी कस्तो लुज गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ झरे है
झरे नि The good roads are over. We've been riding on this road. This road is under construction. We've been riding on this road for maybe 5 minutes now. I'm wearing this cloth glove and my hands are paining. I will stop and wear my proper riding gloves now. The feedback from the handlebar is being absorbed by my palm and my fingers. Wow, I can see tarmac now. Yes. Sorry. आपके साथ कोई था ना चला गया You want to go washroom?
किधर इधर पास में है
जाने वॉशरूम रेस्टोरेंट जैसा है ठीक है फ्यूल तो एम्प्टी में आ गया है आज के लिए काफ़ी है ना एम्प्टी से एक बार ऊपर दिखा रहा है
तो फिर से पेंगोंग वापस पहुंच जाएगा आप निकाल जाओ बाकियों को मैं रोक के रखूंगा फिर इकट्ठे करने फिर अलग अलग
ओके Our marshal is sitting here alone. So we'll go little fast now because others will arrive and we will not get time to see beautiful roads. क्या मजा आयो यो बाटोमा कुदाउनु चाहिँ यस्तो मजा आउँदैछ यो बाटोमा कुदाउनु यस्तो मजा आउँदैछ मलाई माइल्स मिस हुँदैछ नि यो बाटोमा चाहिँ This road is for miles. Sorry Honey Badger, you're great. Yesterday's road was for you, but this is where Miles shines better. I'm missing Miles. Finally they have arrived. We went to the washroom, drank nice honey lemon tea, then we drove at 30 kilometers per hour slowly down the hill, and then we finally stopped and we said let's wait. I think they spent a lot of time in Changla.
Leh Ladakh, you are so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm feeling so sad. Back.
Yeah, Our ride is coming to an end, guys. Only 40 kilometers to go, but this has been an incredible experience for us. Thanks to Motor Tour for organizing this so well. Particularly thanks, special thanks to Tupsang, who's leading right now. I think he made this so comfortable. Even though our marshal stand, great, but stand was usually with the Srinagar fellows, so we got to spend more time with Tupsang. And yeah, this guy is great, man. He does lot of stuff.
Extremely responsible and
Humble.
humble.
Great guy. But yeah, with this, our Ladakh trip is coming to an end. At least the bike part is coming to an end. Maybe perhaps we'll go to the city and we will do some bit of shopping, last minute shopping if we can. Let's see if we get the time. Today I'm not feeling so tired. Kumali, how tired are you? Maybe on a scale of 0 to 10 I'm feeling maybe 4.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. 4.
We arrived at some town. बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया क्या मैं ऊपर छांगला में आप लोग ने?
नहीं हम लोग आप जहाँ रुके थे ना उसके आगे उसके वाले इधर एक रुके थे सब लोग, जो मार्शल रुका था
बाकी लोगों को
ओके,
हम लोग तो इमीडिएट निकल गए थे 15 मिनट
आके टीसी वगैरह लिया नीचे आके.
हाँ ओके.
Guys, we stopped for lunch and we ordered this veg Manchurian and what is this?
This is chow mein.
I know it's chow mein. What is this?
Some butter garlic noodle.
Butter garlic noodles and French fries.
After a hearty meal, we are heading back to Leh, some 30 kilometers from here. So what is happening now is our group is divided between two groups, the Srinagar group and the Leh group. We are the Leh group. I think all of them are meeting after lunch at Thikse Monastery,
Which we have already visited. It's beautiful, it is definitely worth it. But since we've already visited, we didn't want to, waste time waiting. So then we planned to head back to Leh to our hotel, and we also have to do some shopping. So we will go to the market and finish all of this before the team arrives.
or rather we'll just head to the market, baby. Let's not waste time going to the hotel and doing all of that.
So,
Leh is 27 kilometers from here. See, at the distance I can see Thikse there at the distance.
where?
Super valley, man. The Changla Pass route is so nice. Pangong to Changla and from Changla to back to Leh. This route is very nice, very nice. Best from all the other routes that we've been to. If you are an adventure seeker, then maybe not. I think adventure seekers will love Nubra to Pangong. My God.
Feeling so grateful to this beautiful place, and feeling a little heavy that I have to leave tomorrow.
For me, I'm content. I've had my stay. I've enjoyed to the fullest, and yeah, now it's time to go back. Everything must end. This beautiful Leh ride ends today.
I don't want to go back.
We have left the group now. We are on our own. So now we're headed back to Leh. Finally, this is the end to our Ladakh ride. We did some shopping now in the town. Took the chance that people had gone to see a place like we mentioned before, which we had already visited. So took that chance, did some shopping, and now heading back to the designated hotel. Now all there is left to do is wait for our luggage, relax in the room, wait for our luggage, pack, yeah, and early morning tomorrow to Bangalore. So yeah, So far, all we can say is it was one of the best ride experience that we've ever had. That's all we can say for now. This is it. Done, guys. I hope you like this Ladakh series. If you did, please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. All right, folks. Thanks for watching.
We've reached the hotel.
We've reached the hotel. Duo Travelers signing off.